Cheetah. Cheetah. Yeah. I have a cheetah. Oh, it's this goddamn chest. I'm not in any danger. Because it's a chest. I have no stunning. I'm just attacking. I have my magical powers. Woo! Almost died. I wasn't paying attention to where I was going. And use this spell. And boom. And boom. And boom. And boom. Why won't you die? And boom. And boom. And boom. And boom. And boom. Yeah! Yeah! Why don't you stun yourself? Of course, you're stunning. Wow! Oh my god, Dazzy, are you flirting with me? Live on stream? Nano machines? What? Don't put yourself down. Of course you're stunning. What? What if I run a stun set? just have like 5 different spells that stun. The shield bat.
4 different stun. Let's buy this. Let's see, what do I get? Oh, I can't buy it again. But I will buy this. For later. Hehe. Hello, Black Spots. How you doing? This one has the longer cooldown. Alrighty.
I'm being targeted already. I wonder. Oh my god. I have no idea what's going on, but I'm doing it really, really well. Never mind. I'm not doing it that well. Let's be really funny. Let's go. Hang on. Perfect. I have the ultimate stun set. I have 3 stuns. I know. What's it called? Thank you. I was close to the another song command. You're doing good. You're doing good. Let's go.
34,000 spring coins. I need another.
I need like
26,000.
I need 8,000, less than 8,000 more.
Where are you trying to get?
The next XP bonus, because hell yeah.
For what? Huh?
Yay, thank you all. I'm so close to the healer weapon. Get it, counter. Get it. Get it. I use this one first, since it's the longest cooldown. The god, of course, it's the goddamn tower. Where did I take damage? Where's the tower at? I don't even know where the tower is at. Here we are. Here's the tower. Oh shit, the piss laser. I'm dead, counter. Don't worry about me. You died to the piss laser.